Welcome to Purposefully AI. Today, we're diving into how you can start selling AI services without needing to be an expert. Most people making real money with AI right now are not deep technical experts. They are beginners who focus on delivering results. The secret is simple. Focus on packaging results, not tools. Clients pay for outcomes, not your technical knowledge. Here is the core truth you need to understand. Clients do not pay for AI knowledge. They pay for outcomes. Small businesses care about tangible results like better product descriptions, more consistent social media posts, and simple automation that saves them time. Your job is to be the translator, turning powerful AI tools into real, measurable business results for your clients. Now, let's look at 4 AI services that beginners can start selling today without coding or certifications. First up is AI content writing. Use tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly to quickly produce polished content for blogs, emails, and product descriptions. Next, AI video creation. Tools like 11 Labs and Pictory let you turn text into short videos and YouTube content much faster than traditional editing. Third, AI design and templates. Use Canva AI and ChatGPT to create reusable assets like social media posts, PDFs, or planners that save businesses time repeatedly. Finally, simple AI automation. Set up basic workflows, like turning form submissions into emails or documents, using tools like Zapier and Google Docs, no coding required. Now let's walk through the simple 4-step framework for selling these services without being an AI expert. Step 1. Pick one clear service outcome. Don't try to offer everything. Focus on a specific, valuable result, like generating Instagram captions. Step 2. Let AI do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. You refine the output and deliver clean results. Clients only care about the outcome. Step 3. Price the result, not the effort. Charge for the value and time saved, not the 10 minutes AI took to create the content. Step 4. Be honest and confident. You are offering a valuable service powered by modern AI tools, and that's more than enough. Now that you have your service defined, let's talk about where to find clients who need your help. Start where people are already buying services. Platforms like Fiverr offer the easiest entry point, while Upwork often has higher quality clients. You can also reach out directly to local businesses with a simple, results-focused pitch. I help businesses save time by creating content using AI tools. To wrap up, remember this approach works because AI lowers the skill barrier, and businesses prioritize speed and results over complexity. The most valuable people in AI adoption will be the practical appliers, not the experts. You don't need to master AI. You just need to master use cases. Grab the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below for exact prompts and workflows to start your first AI service. Subscribe for more on building income with AI.